if ingqondo yakho ikutshela ukuthi ikwayet ifile kushuthi uyahlanya or uyagula kumele uyobona udoctor
Angithi uyazi khona
Uyahlanya manje.
style dollar style mali kaphela ngiyathola anembi kwaito dona ngiyathola sela kuzokufundisa igwebo hayi kwaito le zokufundisa Kanti uthini mo-bro betha mayinta tholiphide kusomatholi impilo endide ngiyabona umlomo wakho manzi kusabone ngizobreak i-virginity sukela ulindelana emkhize kanti bowulindeleni awuthi ngikuthathe ngiyofaka etwetrini uzovuka emoshali ima-IC sunezekuyipulsback uzophenduka i-backpacketourist back home bro lay the foundations when you're just renting your home you came off the net you tryna play with the vets respect ayithengiswa mfana omncane cut the checks nale 99 elimambula phezu kwama-beats white pro paint that the streets every line was a sermon every bar was a feast we gave hope to get a 10 pain into pride heritage in heartbeat the rhyme on die this is culture on TikTok don't compare to delela my legend boy that is a suicide note better humble up quick before your weight can flow I'm the rapper on wax I will dismantle your name Zulu in my bloodline I switch flows like a coat so kufika lo mlomo if you stuck on the road inhlonipho to the legend that crown locked tight you chasing quick hype I'm protecting the light amagama ka-pro race the soldiers gave the block education when I tracks race followers with no dedication you chasing the flag I'm chasing the legacy no hesitation bro
Dankie sir.